Hello guys, okay, TMNmedia here. I would like to just probably show you how easy it is to trade and make daily profits. But you see, the challenge with many people is that small profits or small amount, they are not easily satisfied by it. So I'm waiting for a low bar for me to place a trade for 7%, and I want to show you the strategy. Now this is a low bar. Okay, I'm waiting for it to be a red bar. If it's not a red bar, I'm not going to trade it. Okay, I'm going to wait for a red bar. I have a signal service where people can also use this to trade for free. Okay, your first month you get it for free. I think for the beginning of this year, since last year December up till this month February, we have been running on a free subscription. So you need to understand how easy it can be for you to be able to make good profits. Now this is getting down here, and it's already over 40 seconds, so I'm not going to use this anymore. Why? Because it's late. Okay, so I'm going to pause, wait till I see another low bar, and then take advantage of it. Okay, so this is a low bar, and it's on 25 index. As you can see, this is a red bar, so I'm waiting for this red bar to close. Let another one. Okay, this is a low bar now, so I'm waiting for it to make red. If I get to see like 5, 6, it's green right now until it's red. Only when it is red. When it's green, we don't trade it. We trade only when it is red, meaning it's going our direction. Right now, it's not going my direction, so I'll wait. This is the patient part of generating the signal that a lot of people. Okay, that's my entry now. Okay, I've made an entry. Okay, I've made an entry, and you can see even while I was doing that entry, a signal shows up here saying 25 index. That's how my signals are generated. Okay, that's how my signals are generated. Now it has not pulled through. Why? You can see it has not pulled through. Okay, I was expecting it to have pulled through, but it has not pulled through. It's pulling back. I know I now have like 1 minute 30 seconds or 2 minutes because it has not pulled through. For it to pull through, okay, can you see it has pulled through? So right now I have made profit of $3. This is how you can be making $5-10 every day. You just do 1 or 2 trades and you are okay. But you see, the problem with a lot of people is that they don't want to do small. Okay, they don't want to do small trades. Okay, they don't want to do small amounts. They want big money, but yet you do not have big capital. So how can you want big money when you do not have big capital? So it's slow and steady. I guess the next time I'm going to come on, I'll like to show you probably how to trade with the signal. Okay, how to trade with my signal. You'll be able to. I just showed you me patiently waiting for a signal to trade it. But you see, my signal service, which is this. Let me open it up. My signal service, which is on TMNmedia. Anybody, you can go on the website TMNmedia.com. Okay, .com.ng/app. You get to see all these signals. They come in. Now you don't have to now be scouting for the signals. All you need to do is to just wait. The signal comes. If it comes for 10, go and open 10 and wait for another one, and then you make your entry when it comes. It has every signal that shows up have one rule. You get to see them there. Once it is after 40 seconds, don't bother yourself. And you saw me when I was searching for the signal before I traded it. when I saw one that actually now became a low, but it did that after 40 seconds, so I did not trade it. So this is how you get to be making daily profits. It is not risky if you follow the rules, the guide, the instruction. You will be profitable, but it will be risky if you do not follow the rules and the guide. That's why it's risky. That's why many will lose their money. Why? Because they are greedy. I will always encourage you want to make more money, grow your portfolio to be able to start using bigger amount, and then you trade the way you want. So God bless you till I see you another time. Now if you want to subscribe, okay, you want to subscribe for my Signal, which I just showed you where it is now. Just go and create an account, okay. For the month of February is still free. Go and create an account, click on subscription. Before the end of the day, you will get activated, meaning you have a free 1 month to try it out. The instruction and the guide, they are inside the guide section over here. You get to see all the rules you need to follow and how to get your notifications. The videos are all here. Everything you need, even how to deposit, how to make withdrawal, how to the trading plan, and everything is being made available. You even get to learn about the navigation around the platform. So you have everything on the website. How to be making 10,000 every day with the same Signal. You just don't need plenty. 2 to 3 trades highest. I would recommend you do 1 trade for a start. You're starting, start with 1 per day. That's the easiest. You've just done 1 and that's it. So from here you get to subscribe, okay. On the page you can subscribe. You click on subscribe and then you subscribe. I'll get you activated and you are good to go. God bless you, and I'll see you in another video. Okay, here I want to show you making a trade with my Signal, actually, because I was talking. I've actually missed my entry, but I've made an entry, so let's go and check it out. I'm actually trading for like 7% or so. I've missed my entry, but it shouldn't take. Oh, I enter at the bottom, so here now I'll have to wait for like probably 2 minutes. Okay, so it has pulled through, so I'm going to be waiting this time around for Signal from my app. Okay, so let's wait and see. That's Signal 25 index. When you make an entry into a trade and it's not pulling through immediately, you allow it some time. Why? Sometimes when I want to enter this trade, this was where my perception is, this angle here, but I entered at the bottom, so I had to wait. And then if I wait a bit, probably 1 minute 20 seconds is not favoring me, I can get out of this trade. Most especially when I found out like this trade is going against me. I know it's the beginning of a new hour. Usually go up first before coming down, but all the same, sometimes it still go down at the same time. So I'm waiting to see it go down. It has not gone way too high. It can still come down once it's below. This is 611. So I'm monitoring. I'm showing you the monitoring process. I could have just said, okay, let me pause and wait for it. Okay, it's the same, me saying pause and waiting for it. So you can see it has not spent up to 1 minute 20 seconds before it pulls through. Okay, it has pulled through, meaning I have made profit. The reason why it has to go, I entered at the bottom. So once I enter at the bottom, automatically I know that I have to allow it at least 1 minute 20 seconds before I exit with loss. Okay, so you have to also learn to exit. It's not just about making entry. You have to learn to exit. If okay, this will be an ideal time for me to wait for signal from my app if possible. So let's wait to see a signal from my own app. I hope I'll be able to get a signal from my own app and then trade it and show you. No, I don't need the time. When there is a signal from my app, it's going to show and it's going to be different from all the ones you have been seeing. Okay, it's already over 40 seconds. It has not showed. So I got distracted with all other stuff. I couldn't wait anymore for signal, so I decided to withdraw my profit. All the money on this account are actual profits. So when I withdraw them to this account, I then trade with them. When I trade them, then I then cash out everything. Okay, so profits from auto trade, then I do small manual trade, and then I cash out. So I'm supposed to withdraw everything, but I still want to trade later in the day, make a video with Signal. Okay, a simple video showing me trading with Signal from my app so that you can get to see how it works. But all the same, you can see somebody has picked the order. So I'll be waiting to receive the payment. Once I receive the payment, then I'm good to go. So it's as easy as this. You can get this done every day. Okay, you can see all the trades done for February, for instance. These are all February returns. As you can see, they are all February profits made in the month of February. Okay, let me pause and wait for this. Okay, this person has paid 67,852. Okay, so I'll just confirm the payment. Okay, 67,652. So once you've confirmed your payment, all you need to do is to click on confirm, and then that's the close of the transaction. It's as simple as that. The P2P is quite straightforward and easier to use for anybody and everybody who are trading. Okay, even if I want to get to sell everything, I can get to do that. All you need to do is just make sure you verify your account so that you can be approved to transact and you are good to go. Okay, I recommend the use of DP2P payment agent and probably cryptocurrency in making your deposit and withdrawal. Okay, God bless you. See you in another video.